Hello one and all, welcome to Nayak Academy. Today let us construct exercise 5th problem of construction chapter. Coming to the question, draw a triangle ABC with the side BC is equal to 6 cm, AB equal to 5 cm and angle ABC equal to 60 degree. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 3/4 of the corresponding sides of the triangle. First let us construct triangle children. Triangle ABC of side BC equal to 6 cm, AB equal to 5 cm and angle ABC equal to 60 degree. Let us start to construct children. First draw base of a triangle BC equal to 6 cm. Draw a line segment BC equal to 6 cm. Now we have to construct angle 60 degree at B. How to construct angle children? Take compass, keep your compass on B and draw one arc like this. Then you have to keep your compass on that arc where it intersects BC. Keep there and draw one arc like this. Join B with that point children and extend the line segment. Now if you measure angle B, you will get 60 degree. Now we have to construct side AB equal to 5 cm. What we have to do children? Take compass and take 5 cm as measurement. Keep your compass on point B and cut that angle. Now where the angle and arcs will intersect, no, you name that point as A. Next step, you have to join A and C. Now ABC is a required triangle of side BC equal to 6 cm, AB equal to 5 cm and angle ABC equal to 60 degree. Next we have to construct a similar triangle to given a triangle children. What is the ratio? 3/4. So what we have to do? First you have to draw a ray making acute angle with BC. Don't draw ray like the children. You have to draw a ray making acute angle with BC. Call that ray as BX. Now we have to locate 4 points on BX. 3/4, greater number is 4. So this is acute angle children. Now we have to draw 4 arcs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Call that arcs as B1, B2, B3 and B4. Now denominator, which number is there? 4. Now we have to join B4 with C. We have to join B4 and C. Next step, we have to construct a line which is parallel to B4C. Is it clear? We have to draw a line like this which is parallel to B4C. How to construct parallel line children? Take any measurement, keep your compass on B4 and draw one arc like this. Same measurement, keep your compass on B3 and draw another arc like this. Now we have to measure the angle formed between these two lines. Measure the angle. Same angle you have to construct at B3 also. So what we have to do? Keep your compass on that arc, which one you are drawn first, and cut that arc. Now you are finding one point. You have to join B3 and that point and let it intersect BC at C dash. Join these 2 points. Let it intersect BC at C dash. Now B3C is parallel to line B4C. Next, similar way we have to construct a line at C dash which is parallel to AC. Same procedure once again, children. Take measurement, any measurement you can take, keep your compass on C and draw one arc like this. Same measurement, keep your compass on C dash and draw another arc like this. Now we have to measure the distance, measure the angle. Next, keep your compass on that arc and cut that arc. Now here we are finding one more point. You have to join C dash and this point, let it intersect AB at A dash. We have to join these 2 points, children. Now let it intersect AB at A dash. Now C dash A dash is parallel to AC. Which are the similar triangle, children? A, B, C is similar to triangle A dash, B, C dash. A dash, B, C dash, let me write here, triangle A dash, B, C dash is similar to given a triangle A, B, C. Let us write the justification. How to write the justification? Now A dash B by AB equal to C dash B by CB equal to A dash C dash by AC equal to 3 by 4 we have to prove, children. How to justify, children? You have to take 2 triangles A, B, C and A dash, B, C dash. We have to prove that these 2 triangles are similar triangles. How will you prove, children? In triangle ABC and triangle A dash, B, C dash, angle A dash C dash B equal to angle ACB, because these 2 angles are corresponding angles. Because these 2 lines are parallel, they are the corresponding angles. Now angle B equal to angle B, common angle. So you can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle A dash B C dash. If they are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal, then corresponding sides are in proportion. Now you can write A dash B by AB equal to C dash B by CB equal to A dash C dash by AC. Now similarly you take down 2 triangles BC B4 and BC dash B3. In these 2 triangles also angle B3 equal to angle B4. They are corresponding angles. Angle B equal to angle B, common angle for both the triangles. Now you can prove that BC dash B3 is similar to triangle BC B4 because AA similarity criteria. If they are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportion. BC dash by BC equal to BB3 by B4. But BB3 is, what is the ratio? It is 3. How many units are there? 1, 2, 3. BB4, from B to B4, how many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So let us write 3 by 4. In question number 2, I have explained how to write steps for justification. Please watch the video using link provided in the description. With this construction, I will wind up the session. In my next video, let us construct remaining exercise problems. Till then, goodbye.